It's a Wednesday night in Campsie, and I'm outside the No1 BBQ House. The food obviously is delicious because there's a long queue of people waiting for takeaways. I'm going to try and sneak in to see if I could have some noodles to have there, but let's see how we go, because they do look like they're really very busy. Good looking barbecue. Inside it's humble, but you can see that they get a lot of customers through. Simple menu, and you can get everything you can that you want to the counter. My roast duck egg noodle soup arrives and it's piping hot. You can just see the smoke coming up. Generous servings of meat. And yeah, looks nice colour. I think I'm going to enjoy this. And the queue of people just hasn't stopped since I've been here, and the poor man's still chopping barbecue meat the whole time.